Hello viewers, welcome to Shimi's Kitchen. I'm Shamila and today I'll be showing you how to make Malai chicken tikka biryani. It's a variation of biryani with boneless chicken chunks marinated in yogurt, cream and spices and served with aromatic flavor biryani rice. As the biryani is mild on spices, it will emerge as kids' favorite. Unlike the traditional biryani, this recipe is easy enough to make. It can be served with raita and salad on the side. So don't skip this video, watch till it ends. So let's start making it. In a bowl, add 500 grams boneless chicken, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon finely chopped and crushed green chilies, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half cup curd, half cup fresh cream. Give this a very nice mix, and now I'm going to marinate this for an hour in refrigerator. Now add 10 to 15 almonds and cashews in a blender. Add some water, blend it nicely and set this aside. Add 3 tablespoons oil in a non-stick pan. Place all the marinated chicken pieces. And now I'm going to cook this on medium-high heat till it absorbs the water. Stir occasionally. Cook this till it becomes dry as directed. Place a small bowl or foil. Now place hot charcoal. Pour some drops of oil and close the lid and leave it for 5 minutes. Once done, set this aside. Next is to make the gravy for biryani. Heat 3 to 4 tablespoon oil in a pan. Goes in 1 bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, 1 mace, 1 star anise, 1 inch cinnamon, 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon black peppercorn, 2 large finely chopped onions. Fry this till it becomes translucent or slightly golden brown. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Fry this for few seconds. To this I'm adding 1 cup curd. Mix nicely. And now add leftover marination sauce of Malai chicken tikka. Give this a very nice mix. Goes in 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. And then add almond and cashew paste. Give this a very nice mix. And now I'm going to add 1 cup fresh cream. And to this I'm adding some freshly chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Mix this nicely. And now add 1 cup of water. And then close the lid and slow cook for 10 minutes. Once done, set this aside. Now let's make the rice. Add more than 1 liter water in a pan. Add 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom, 2 to 3 cloves and 2 green cardamoms. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, some drops of oil. Close the lid and bring it to boil. Once done, add 3 cups of soaked basmati rice. Now cook this till rice is 80% done. Now check with the rice. If it's done, then drain the rice. And now I'm going to transfer the rice on the gravy. Mix gently. And next I'm going to place the chicken pieces. And some fresh mint leaves and slices of lemon. And now I'm going to wrap it with foil. Now close the lid and slow cook for 10 to 15 minutes. I mean, place it on dum process. Once done, open the lid. Take out the mint leaves and lemon slices. Take out some chicken pieces and set aside to garnish. Now mix gently upside down as directed. Now drizzle a tablespoon of desi ghee on top. And now the process is done. Transfer the rice on serving dish. Now place the chicken pieces on top. Garnish with some fresh mint leaves and lemon slices. And serve hot immediately. So guys, Malai chicken tikka biryani is ready to eat and serve. If you are bored having the regular chicken tikka biryani, then try this Malai chicken tikka biryani. This biryani was so nice, moist, mildly spiced and tasted amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a big thumbs up below if you like this recipe. Do follow us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more short recipes and updates. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Stay tuned, stay safe and happy cooking.